Connecting Arduino ESP8266 to AWS IoT Core is a two-step process. Go to AWS console. Select IoT Core. Click on Manage and click Things. Create a new thing. Create a single thing and give the name as my first thing. Click on Next. Click on Create Certificates, and this step will create set of security certificates. Download those security certificates in your local system, and this step will also generate the root certificate and save the root certificate also in your local system. So these certificates you must preserve in your local system because the certificates will be generated only one time during the life cycle. Go back to your IoT console and click on Activate the security certificates and click on Done to complete the step. Now we have created the thing. Now we have to create the policy. Go to Secure and click on Policies and click on Create Policy and name the policy as my first policy and the action as IoT:* and remove the resource ARN, give it as star, and in effects select the allow and create the policy. Click on Create. Now policy is created. Now go to security certificates. We have already created the certificate. Click on that and go to Actions and select the attach policy and attach the policy which we have created, that is my first policy. Similarly, click on Action and attach thing and click on my first thing which we have already created. Now along with the security certificate we have attached the policy as well as the thing. So with this, the configuration of AWS IoT is complete. Download the necessary files in your local system. So this is the link. Through this link you can download the complete programs in your local system. Not only the complete program, this particular link also provides all the necessary libraries that supports AWS IoT Core communication. So download all the necessary libraries in your local system. So totally there are 3 libraries are provided. Download all 3 libraries in your local system. So these 3 libraries we will be including it from the Arduino IDE. Once all these 3 files downloaded in your local system, make sure all the certificates which you downloaded as well as the sample program which you downloaded are in one place. So I kept all the programs in one place, as well as I'm going to keep all the security certificates in the same directory to avoid any confusions. Now go to the program which you downloaded copy the folder. So this I am doing it for the programming convenience. Go inside the folder and click on Arduino and go inside MQTT and open secrets.h. So this is the file where we supposed to upgrade all the security certificates which we downloaded from the AWS IoT core. So to start with, I am going to open the root certificate file, copy the credentials and paste it in the appropriate place in the secrets.h. So the variable name and the associated comments will be given. Please follow the comments as given in the secrets.h. Open the certificates.pem file, the text editor, copy the credentials and paste it in the secrets.h. So the first one we have copied root certificate key and second one certificate.pem, and finally we are going to keep the private.pem credentials into the same secrets.h file. So paste it over here. Once everything is placed in a proper place, now we have to set up your SSID, so which is nothing but your Wi-Fi connection name, and specify the password of the Wi-Fi connection in the field of password. So after providing the Wi-Fi username and password, now you have to specify the location where we are supposed to establish our communication. That's supposed to be AWS IoT core. Go to AWS IoT core console, click on things and select the thing which we have already created and click on interact and copy the HTTPS address. So this is the address we have to specify in the secrets.h file to get communication with the IoT core. Save the file and open the other file, mqtt.ino. Now go to sketches and attach all the library files which we have downloaded. That is 3 different library files which we downloaded from the link. There are many ways you can include these library files in your environment. So I am using this particular method. Include all 3 libraries in the project. So now the complete environment is ready. Now you can click on compile to compile the file. So the compilation takes 1 or 2 minutes. We'll have to wait. So after compilation gets over, the code will be uploaded. Please wait until it writes 100%. Once it is done, now you can click on tools and select monitor, serial monitor, where you can check all the communication between your program and to the AWS IoT core. So the program is now trying to establish communication with AWS IoT core. So as we have used MQTT based protocol, now it is trying to establish MQTT connection with the AWS IoT core, and we have successfully sending and receiving packets from the AWS IoT core. To check whether this packet has properly received, go to AWS IoT core and click on test and click on MQTT test client and give the topic as hash universal topic and click subscribe. Now you can see all the communication that you received from the IoT device in this particular place, along with the timestamp.